Alright, so watching your show, Alan. What's happening? Okay, watching the show. Did something real great. Gave young ladies 2 cars. Big ups to you. Trip to the Super Bowl. Big ups to you. I don't want a trip to the Super Bowl. I'll take a car, but let's go to what I really want. What I really want is a trip to the show. I'm telling you, I'm not gonna stop sending you YouTubes and Facebooks and all the videos possible until I get on the show. Now, I'm gonna put you on pause because I gotta get fresh, just in case you do call and send me a message or whatever. About to freshen up. Just got the bald head fresh. Now I'm about to get the body fresh. So I'll get back at you. Noisemaker Nation, y'all already know. Stand by.